What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cute cartoon illustration of a Halloween Hello Kitty. Let's start in the center of the page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, come all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap and go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw a small oval going sideways for the nose. Now we want to place the bow on top of the edge of the head. So on top of the right eye, we move all the way up and draw a circle, going all the way around and back up. And we'll draw the bow in an angle. Let's start from the top of our circle, going up toward the left, come around and then in. Let's draw that same shape across the bottom. Starting down here, coming down across the bow, then back in toward the side. Now along the side of the knot, let's draw two small half circles. Now with the bow in place, let's draw the inside edge of the head. We're going to start from the inside of the bow. We're going to draw an oval going around the eyes and the face. Pull that in toward the center. Go all the way around the right side and then tuck this in underneath the bow. Let's add the whiskers along the side. Let's start on the left. Draw a straight line coming in, line it up on the right, come down, angle this up and in, move down and draw that one more time. Now I want to draw on the outside of the head. So we're going to draw a larger oval, starting from the bottom left side, going all the way around, go up and in towards the middle. Now I'm going to make our way around the right side, come down and then tuck this in underneath the head. Let's add those two large ears. Starting over on the left, bend this up and then out. And then line this up on the right. Going up and then out. Round up the tip of the ear, coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now we're going to be drawing our character sitting inside the pumpkin. So let's start with the top edge. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Angle this up and over towards the left and right side. Come down and then out. Let's draw another angle line going up and then out towards the outside of our pumpkin. Let's round out the pumpkin. We're going to start on the left side, going all the way around, come down and then in. Let's go to the top right and do the same thing, going all the way around and then bending that in toward the same height. And then we're going to add a fold across the bottom. So we're going to step over, come down the middle, go across, and then up. Now I want to add the face of the pumpkin, starting in the center with a triangle, coming down and out along the side, flatten off the bottom. Let's draw two larger triangles along the outside for the eyes. So we go out along the bottom, go up toward the top, and then back down. Now let's draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, bend this down and then up. And I'll add two square teeth. Coming down, flatten off the bottom, going up in an angle, and then go up and in. Now we want to curve the mouth going out around the eyes. Let's open up the mouth, starting back on the left, coming down underneath the tooth in towards the center. And we'll add one tooth in the middle, going straight up, and we'll flatten that off. Now I'm going to go back and add a thick edge across the top of the pumpkin. Let's start from the left side, come straight in with a short line on either side, and we'll follow this angle coming back down and tucking that in. Let's go to these 2 points, draw two short lines coming in, trace this out coming down, and then back up. Now I want to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, then the arm going out and up towards the thumb. Now I want to point the thumbs going up with a half circle, going up and then down. And then we'll open up the hand, going out, come around, and then in towards the pumpkin. And then inside the hands, we're going to add the paws. Let's start with 3 small circles on the outside. So we'll start with the one in the middle, and then add 2 more circles on the outside. And then in the center of the palm, we'll draw an oval. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting with that center circle. Add one on the top and bottom. And then that oval in the center. Now I'm going to add the tail coming out from the right side of the pumpkin. Let's start down here, bend this out, come in, and then back out. Just going to round out the end of the tail. And I'll trace that same curve along the outside. Now that's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Halloween Hello Kitty. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.